Say goodbye to under-eye bags, comprehensive natural remedies and scientific insights. Understanding the problem of under-eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes. Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and felt frustrated by the sight of tired, puffy eyes or sagging skin under your eyes? You're not alone. Millions of people experience under-eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes at some point in their lives. But what causes these issues? And more importantly, how can you address them naturally and effectively? Let's dive deeper into understanding the different conditions related to eye appearance, explore the underlying causes, and provide actionable steps based on scientific research to manage and prevent these common concerns. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. What causes eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes? Before jumping into remedies, it's essential to understand the distinctions between eye bags, droopy eyes, ptosis, and puffy eyes. Although these terms are often used interchangeably, they refer to different conditions with unique causes. Eye bags. Eye bags refer to the swelling or puffiness under the eyes, often caused by aging, fluid retention, or genetic predisposition. As we age, the muscles supporting our eyelids weaken, and fat that was once tightly contained may shift into the lower eyelids, creating a baggy appearance. Key causes: 1. Aging, loss of collagen and weakened muscles. 2. Fluid retention due to high salt intake or lack of sleep. 3. Allergies or chronic inflammation. 4. Genetic factors. Droopy eyes, ptosis. Droopy eyes, medically known as ptosis, occur when the upper eyelid sags over the eye, partially obstructing vision. This condition can be due to congenital factors, nerve damage, or aging. Key causes: 1. Aging, weakening of the levator muscle. 2. Neurological disorders, e.g. myasthenia gravis, Horner's syndrome. 3. Congenital ptosis present from birth. 4. Trauma or nerve damage. Puffy eyes. Puffy eyes refer to temporary swelling around the eyes, often caused by fluid retention due to factors such as crying, lack of sleep, or allergies. Unlike eye bags, puffy eyes are typically short-term and can be alleviated with simple lifestyle changes. Key causes: 1. Fluid retention. 2. Allergies or sinus infections. 3. Hormonal changes. 4. Lack of sleep. Scientific insights on under-eye conditions. Meanwhile, Healthline emphasizes the role of lifestyle changes in reducing puffy eyes, including proper hydration, a balanced diet, and regular sleep patterns. If you enjoy our content and find it useful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us bring you more health and wellness tips, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Natural remedies to manage and prevent under-eye bags. There are several effective home remedies to treat puffy eyes or bags under the eyes. These remedies are safer and more cost-effective than many alternative treatments. Here are some home remedies to help reduce puffiness under the eyes. How to use. Once chilled, place the tea bags over your eyes for 20-30 minutes. The caffeine in the tea constricts blood vessels, reducing swelling and redness, leaving your eyes refreshed. How to use. Slice a cucumber, refrigerate the slices, and place 2 of them over your eyes for 25 minutes to refresh your eyes and reduce puffiness. For best results, ensure the cucumber slices are cold to maximize their cooling effect. How to use. Slice a refrigerated potato into thin circles and place them over your eyes for 20 minutes. Ensure the slices cover the puffed areas around your eyes to maximize effectiveness. This helps reduce water retention and puffiness, leaving your eyes refreshed. How to use. Gently press the soaked cotton pads onto the closed eyelids and leave them in place. Milk soothes tired eyes and reduces water retention, helping to combat puffiness and refresh the delicate skin around the eyes. How to use. Apply a few drops under your eyes and gently massage the area using your ring finger before bedtime. Use light, circular motions to improve blood circulation and enhance absorption without causing irritation. How to use. Soak the cotton pads thoroughly in the chilled mixture. Gently press them onto your closed eyelids and relax for 20 minutes. This helps reduce swelling and keeps the skin healthy by promoting hydration and soothing irritation. How to use. Now carefully apply the beaten egg white around the eyes using a soft makeup brush or a cotton swab. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water to tighten the skin and reduce puffiness. How to use. You keep 4 spoons in chilled water or the freezer. Take 2 chilled spoons and gently press them over your closed eyelids. Rotate the spoons as needed to maintain the cooling effect. The cold constricts blood vessels, reducing puffiness and providing a refreshing sensation. How to use. Gently splash cold water onto your face multiple times, focusing on the areas around your eyes. For best results, use ice-cold water to constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling effectively. Here are some effective natural remedies backed by science to reduce under-eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes. Scientific backing for natural remedies. The effectiveness of natural remedies for under-eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes is supported by several scientific studies and expert reviews. For example, antioxidants found in green tea and cucumbers have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity, according to studies from the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging of the skin around the eyes. Furthermore, a comprehensive review published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlights the temporary tightening effects of caffeine-based creams, reinforcing the benefits of using chilled tea bags for short-term relief. Caffeine constricts blood vessels, thereby reducing swelling and redness around the eyes. The Mayo Clinic also emphasizes that lifestyle factors such as hydration, diet, and sleep quality play a significant role in managing puffiness around the eyes. Incorporating these remedies as part of a holistic routine not only helps address immediate concerns, but also promotes long-term skin health. Research from the Cleveland Clinic suggests that addressing underlying health issues, such as allergies or sinus infections, can improve symptoms of puffy and droopy eyes. By integrating scientifically backed solutions with practical lifestyle adjustments, individuals can achieve sustainable results in reducing under-eye concerns. Studies from the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, show that antioxidants found in green tea and cucumbers can reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity. Additionally, a review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlights the temporary tightening effects of caffeine-based creams, supporting the use of natural remedies like tea bags for short-term relief. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more wellness tips. And don't forget to like and share this video to spread the knowledge. Embrace lifestyle changes for long-term prevention. To achieve lasting results, it's essential to incorporate lifestyle changes that promote overall eye health. Here are some tips. 1. Maintain a healthy diet. Reducing salt intake can prevent fluid retention, while a diet rich in antioxidants can improve skin health. Focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and reduces puffiness around the eyes. 3. Get quality sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and elevate your head slightly to prevent fluid from pooling around your eyes. 4. Protect your eyes from UV damage. UV rays can weaken the delicate skin around your eyes. Always wear sunglasses and apply sunscreen to protect your skin. 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, reducing fluid retention and promoting healthy skin. Final thoughts. Combining science and nature for optimal eye health. Under-eye bags, droopy eyes, and puffy eyes are common concerns, but they don't have to be permanent. By understanding the root causes and incorporating natural remedies and lifestyle changes, you can achieve healthier, more youthful-looking eyes. Remember, the best approach is a combination of scientific insights and practical, natural solutions. Don't be swayed by quick-fix cosmetic trends. Focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and your eyes will reflect your overall well-being. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more science-backed health and wellness tips. Let's make healthier living a priority together. Reference source. Here are 3 trusted scientific studies and 2 best-selling books that provide valuable insights into eye health and natural remedies. Scientific studies. 1. National Institutes of Health, NIH. 1. Aging and the Skin. Understanding the effects on eye health and under-eye bags. 2. Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. 2. The efficacy of caffeine-based creams in reducing periorbital puffiness. 3. Mayo Clinic Review. 3. Lifestyle changes for managing puffy eyes and dark circles. Best-selling books on Amazon. 1. The Skin Type Solution by Dr. Leslie Bauman. 1. A comprehensive guide to understanding your skin type and choosing effective skincare solutions. 2. Glow, the dermatologist's guide to a whole foods younger skin diet. 2. By Dr. Harold Lancer. 2. A popular book offering natural and diet-based solutions for healthy, youthful skin.